In today's video, we'll explore the incredible journey of a young entrepreneur who faced numerous obstacles on the path to success. This powerful story of resilience showcases how determination and a positive mindset can turn challenges into stepping stones. As we dive into this inspiring tale, you'll discover valuable lessons on navigating tough times and emerging stronger. Get ready to be motivated and empowered to tackle your own challenges head-on. Meet Sarah, a single mother who lost her job during a recession, struggling to provide for her two children. Faced with mounting bills and despair, she decided to pursue her passion for baking. The turning point came when she entered a local baking competition, gaining recognition and support. Through her journey, Sarah learned the importance of perseverance, adaptability, and believing in oneself, inspiring others to overcome their own challenges. Sarah encountered several significant obstacles, including financial instability, self-doubt, and the pressure of single parenthood. These challenges tested her resolve daily, making her journey feel overwhelming. Many viewers can relate to similar struggles, whether it's job loss, personal setbacks, or balancing responsibilities. By sharing Sarah's story, we encourage you to reflect on your own challenges and recognize that overcoming them is possible with determination and support. A few pivotal moments changed Sarah's journey dramatically. First, she decided to enroll in a baking class, honing her skills and boosting her confidence. Then, entering the local baking competition opened doors she never imagined. These decisions exemplified the importance of perseverance, even when the odds seemed stacked against her. We encourage you to reflect on your own turning points, as they can lead to transformative change in your life. From Sarah's inspiring journey, we can take away several key lessons. First, embracing a positive mindset during adversity can make all the difference. Second, resilience is essential. Every struggle can lead to growth and opportunity. Lastly, success often follows hardship, reminding us that challenges are not the end, but rather a stepping stone to greater achievements. Let these lessons inspire you to face your own obstacles with courage and hope. In summary, we've explored the power of resilience through Sarah's journey, highlighting how challenges can lead to growth and success. Remember, learning from adversity is crucial for personal development. If you found this story inspiring, please subscribe and share this video with others who might benefit. Don't forget to check out our related content for more motivation and insights to help you navigate your own challenges. Thank you for watching.